going to make today? Today I'm going to make a pineapple. Let's see what you'll need for that. You'll need glue, pencils, a scissor and a ruler. And you'll need this green varnish paper and this yellow paper. And it should be drawn with lines like this. And next we'll need this frame and with this frame with oval. First, let's take this frame and we'll draw the circle. And after we draw it, we'll cut the strips and take the glue and glue some like this. And then I'm going to paste it. And then you'll get a ring something like this. And now then I'll show you another. Look carefully. And I will make another. And after that I have made some molds. Here they are. And next we're going to take you can see I have made these two. We have to do it from the green varnish. And now I'm going to, let's take a frame, like this frame, and we're gonna paste it. Let's get the glue. I'm going to paste it this way. It's okay if it goes out like this. Sometimes you'll feel it like a style. After that, I'm gonna paste the down one. Like this. And now I'm going to paste these small rings what we made earlier, and I'll put this some glue on top there, so it's kind of like coming out of the pineapple. And I'm gonna paste right like this. can make it about at half an hour, 1 hour, and it's something like springy, and you can hang it somewhere and make your house beautiful. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and share and like. Goodbye until next time.